Spruce up your home with these gorgeous front yard ideas. Introduction. In today's article, we will explore various yard ideas that will help you elevate the curb appeal of your home and create a stunning outdoor living space. With a touch of creativity and thoughtful landscaping choices, you can transform your front yard into a captivating focal point that complements the beauty of your home. Landscaping for curb appeal. Creating a captivating front yard starts with thoughtful landscaping. Incorporate a mix of vibrant flowers, evergreen shrubs, and ornamental trees to add color and texture to your home's exterior. Strategically placing these elements will not only enhance the curb appeal, but also provide a welcoming ambience. Outdoor design harmony. Make sure your front yard complements the overall design of your house exterior. Consider the architectural style of your home and select outdoor decor that harmonizes with its unique features. This will create a cohesive and visually pleasing aesthetic. Welcoming entrance. Upgrade your home's entrance by adding a stylish front door or refreshing the existing one. Consider bold colors like red or blue to make a statement. Don't forget to add accessories such as a decorative doormat or potted plants to create an inviting atmosphere for your guests. Lighting and exterior decor. Illuminate your front yard with well-placed outdoor lighting fixtures. Not only will this enhance the safety and security of your home, but it will also highlight the beauty of your landscaping during the evening hours. Additionally, consider adding exterior decor elements such as wind chimes, statues, or wall art to add personality and charm. outdoor living space. Create a cozy outdoor living space in your front yard where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Consider adding comfortable seating options like a porch swing or outdoor sofas, and a small table for morning coffee or evening gatherings. Enhance the ambience with soft lighting, such as string lights or lanterns. Give your home's exterior a much-needed makeover with these front yard ideas. By emphasizing landscaping, outdoor design harmony, a welcoming entrance, well-placed lighting, and the creation of an outdoor living space, you can transform your front yard into a stunning showcase of your home's beauty. Sprucing up your front yard not only increases curb appeal, but also enhances your overall quality of life by providing a serene and inviting outdoor space for relaxation and enjoyment. Don't wait any longer. Let these ideas inspire your next home renovation project. When it comes to home improvement, enhancing curb appeal of your front yard is a fantastic to start. The exterior of your home sets the tone, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for visitors and passersby. From landscaping to exterior decor, there are numerous ways to elevate your home's aesthetic and transform it into a stunning showpiece. In this article, we will explore a variety of front yard ideas that can help you achieve the perfect balance of beauty and functionality. With a touch of creativity and inspiration, you can truly create an outdoor space that showcases your unique style. Incorporating landscaping. Landscaping plays a pivotal role in transforming your front yard into a picturesque oasis. Utilize a mix of lush greenery, colorful flowers, and strategically place trees to create a visually appealing outdoor design. Consider the overall theme of your home and choose plants and flowers that complement its architectural style. Implementing different layers of height and texture will add depth and dimension to your front yard, making it visually captivating. Adding eye-catching features. To enhance your front yard's charm, consider incorporating eye-catching features that draw attention. This could include a beautiful fountain, a stone pathway, or a captivating sculpture. These elements not only elevate the aesthetic appeal, but also create focal points that leave a lasting impression. Balance is key, so be mindful of the scale and proportion of these features to ensure they seamlessly integrate into the overall design. Implementing outdoor decor. Extend your home decor to the outdoors by incorporating tasteful and stylish elements. Decorative outdoor lighting, elegant planters, and stylish seating arrangements can instantly elevate the ambience of your front yard. Choose pieces that blend well with the overall color palette and architectural style of your home. This will create a cohesive look, tying together the interior and exterior design elements. Enhancing outdoor living spaces. Transform your front yard into an outdoor living space where you can relax and entertain. Consider adding a cozy seating area with comfortable furniture, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air and connect with nature. This space can become an extension of your home, providing a serene retreat for both you and guests. A well-designed outdoor living area can significantly increase the value and functionality of your front yard. Seeking inspiration from beautiful homes. Inspiration can be found everywhere, especially in the beautiful homes that surround us. Take a walk or drive through your neighborhood, observing the front yard designs and architectural elements that catch your eye. Browse through magazines or search online for home renovation and exterior design inspiration. Take note of the ideas that resonate with you and adapt them to suit your own style and preferences. With these front yard ideas, you can transform your home's exterior into a captivating space that reflects your personal style and enhances its curb appeal. Remember to focus on creating a visually appealing landscape through thoughtful landscaping, incorporating eye-catching features, and complementing it with tasteful outdoor decor. By cultivating outdoor living spaces and seeking inspiration from beautiful homes, you can achieve an exterior design that truly makes a statement. Sprucing up your home's front yard will not only increase its visual attractiveness, but also create a welcoming environment that you can be proud of.